I thank you all, especially Dr. Shimim and my son, the incumbent Governor, Dr. Sharifuddin Mastura, for that whole support. Parang ikaw na tuloy ang kandidato at that time. Thank you very much, my beloved son. Today, I mark as a day important for us to start reconciliation. Let us reach out to our adversaries. And I also to address yung congressman natin. Today, my appeal is for us to reach our adversaries and reconcile. It is a practice that politics, that in politics there is no permanent partnership, there is no permanent partnership, but there is always permanent alliances. In every election, yung kalaban natin ngayon, next year, maging kakampi natin, depending on the political situation. And that is why let us not begrudge other for attacking us below the belt. Ganyan na naman ang edisyon. Kasi walang pwedeng makasuhan during election. Kahit na below the belt yung mga atake nila. So, election has been done. Let's reconcile. Let's unite as once again Bangsamoro people for the success of BARM. We struggled hard for BARM. Dumaas ang dugo ng Bangsamoro para mapatayo lamang ang BARM. So let us please unite together and support the leadership of BARM. Whoever is there na nakaupo sa BARM ay supportahan natin. I'm also asking you to deliver the words of unity, especially in the present situation where we are going again to have election in the BARM. So, lagay natin sa dibdib natin yan. I would like also especially to extend my thanks to the members, officialdom of the UBJP, yung mga base commanders, brigade commanders, battalion commanders, and the enlisted men of the UBJP, particularly, especially, pinakamabigat na pinapasalamatan ko na nakita ko kung paano nag-struggle yung mga umahat natin. Kung nakikinig kayo, galing sa puso ang pagpasalamat ko sa inyo. Yung mga kabayan natin. I saw how you strive. Kahit sa init ng araw, nagdadala kayo ng baon para lamang mapatayo ninyo ang UBJP. Kaya, hindi ko masabi ano ang halaga ng pagpapasalamat namin sa inyo, sa suporta ninyo. Especially the leaders of the Omaha and SW. Nandito ngayon tayo sa malaking challenge. Challenge in the province of Maguindanao, Del Sur, and Norte. Challenge to BARM. Konti na lang po ang nalalabi sa atin. Yung 10 years na binibigay sa atin ng gobyerno, na binigyan tayo ng malaking pera para ikaunlad ng BARM. 4 taon na lang po ang nalalabi, kaya kailangan gamitin natin lahat ito para after 4 years, makita natin kung gaano umangat ang barn, gaano umangat ang kabuhayan ng mga Bangsamoro na sakop ng barn. This is really a great challenge dahil marami pa rin tayong nakikita na mga kapatid natin na mga Bangsamoro na hanggang ngayon ay nandun pa rin sila sa baba. Kung kaya, whoever will be the CM for the last 4th year, pagtulungan natin lahat ng probinsya ng barn, mga governors, mayors, and everyone among us na may pagkita natin na after the 10 years na binigay sa atin ay mapakita natin na napaunlad natin ang barn. And one main project that I think will contribute to the development of barn is to invite foreign investors. In fact, I have been suggesting ever since LTP tayo sa barn na ngayon, na kung may pera tayo, bilihin natin ang kalawakan ng yung port para magawa natin industrial zone yan. At tayo'y mag-invite ng mga foreigners na pwede tayong maging partners. Dahil yan lang alam ko na pagkatapos na 10 taon na binigay sa atin ay manatili ang magandang kabuhayan ng Bangsamoro. Otherwise, kung wala tayong ma-invite ng mga investors in order to have more employment, wala pa rin mangyayari sa Bangsamoro people. At sayang lang ang buhay na itinaya ng ating mga kapatid. This is a great challenge that I'm offering to the leadership of barn, to the members of the parliament, and all the heads, department heads of barn, na ipakita natin na ang nalalabing 4 na taon ay makita kung saan tayo at saan din umangat yung mga Bangsamoro. Napakalaking challenge po pag hindi natin nagawa ito. Because I would say, in that 4 span, kung wala pa rin nakita natin na anaangat ang Bangsamoro, masasabi ko na failure tayo. This is a challenge to all of us, Bangsamoro. A challenge to the members of the parliament. Kalimutan natin ang politiko. Alam kong malapit na naman ang eleksyon ng barn. So ang mahingi ko lang ay after the election, let's unite again. Ganyan naman ang produkto ng eleksyon. Doon lang sa eleksyon yung medyo magkainitan, and afterwards, let's work all ahead for the Bangsamoro people who have been suffering for the past 7 years. And if I may say, who have been suffering for more than 300 years. Kaya, nagkaroon tayo ng barn para mabigyan ng pagkakataon ang Bangsamoro na umunlad. Napakabigat po yung oath of office natin. Nakapanggigigil. Ano ang gamot doon? Let us always remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Huwag nating gawing biro yung panunumpa natin. This is the first time that I'm sworn to office na dumating sa word na billahi. Nanginginig ang katawan ko. Nakakatakot. We did not swear to our CM. We swore to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who sees us every minute, every single of the seconds, sees what we are doing. Ano ngayon ang gamot dito? Leader or not leader, let's always have permanent jikr, remembrance of Allah, so that we must remember that this world is just a temporary shelter for us. This is a world wherein the test of humanity, the test of all Bangsamoro, the test of all Muslims will be tested. Ito lamang ay daanan tungo sa kabilang buhay kung saan tayo manatili ng walang hangganan. At magkamali yung mga tao na panay worldly matters lamang ang inisip. Pag-isip din tayo ng worldly matters, but for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Yata nun mag-inisip na, so iman tanong, iman. Kagina may kato, kakurang yung jikring kanula, kurang yung tanaming kanula, nasama ka to, ikasimen. Pag lagi mo nakakalimutan ang may kapal, at lagi na lang nasa isip mo ang kamunduhan, nakakalungkot pagdating nung naghihingan ka. Doon ka lang magsisi na sana ako'y naging mabait, ako'y naging masunurin sa aking Allah. Whether you're a Christian or a Muslim, ang buhay ng tao sa mundo ay buhay lamang na temporary. Ang buhay sa mundo ay bawala lamang ng buhay na ganap sa kabilang buhay na kung saan tayo magkaroon ng tunay na judgment, kung saan tayo sa kaliwa, hell, o sa kanan, heaven. And that's permanent abode for us that we should always remember ourselves. We should always remember as much as possible, kahit 100 times mo lang, maalaala yung Creator mo. At least, meron kang kapital sa bandang ulit. Lalo pa kung maalaala mo siya several thousand a day kung wala kang ginagawa. And that is the medicine of the hereafter. Marami pong salamat. Sana po we will always remember our spiritual obligation to the Creator of the universe. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you very much, Governor Mastura. We are truly inspired by your vision for Maguindanao del Norte and your strong goal for inclusive governance.
At this point, we would like to call our remaining mayors from the province of Maguindanao del Sur for the oath of